The seventh thing I wish I'd known before my kid got obsessed with space was to get a telescope, even a crappy telescope, instead of binoculars like a lot of the guides tell you. Because A, when you have binoculars, kids can't hold them, it's very shaky, and B, it feels more like space exploration. You feel more like an astronomer with a telescope. And C, when you are out in the bushes in the middle of the night with your binoculars pointed at your neighbor's house, you look a little creepy. So I find that a telescope makes it much more clear to passersby and strangers, people walking around or people out on a balcony, that you are indeed looking at space objects with your kids. Not some sort of creepy situation. The number 6 thing I wish I'd known when my kid became obsessed with space were about 2 websites. One is AccuWeather.com, which has stargazing forecasts. So you can look up the clarity of the sky, the visibility, that'll have lists of upcoming astronomical events, and it's tailored to your precise location. The second website that we really like is Space.com, because we've been able to keep up with a lot of new space news, and they also share a lot of upcoming rocket launches with links to the live stream. Number 5, space launches. Watch live rocket launches.
3, 2.
We had a lot of fun watching the James Webb Telescope launch on Christmas Eve. Nothing beats the drama of the classic countdown with the control room and the cheering when everything happened. Number 4, the Science Center. Now, hopefully you have one in your town, but at our Science Center, we love to go watch planetarium shows, and where we are, they even have cool planet-themed ice cream cones, including a limited edition James Webb Telescope ice cream cone, which was really fun. Number 3, books. Now that's an obvious one, but I'm going to give you one specific one that we really like. The Dark is Dark by Chris Hadfield. The thing we love about it is the beautiful pictures and also the story about how the fear of the dark can be helped by having curiosity about space and the universe. Number 2, there's a line of space toys that my kid really likes. There is the rocket, the rover, International Space Station, and just playing with these toys just really helps, unlock imagination and put him in the place of the astronauts, which is cool. And my number 1 best tip for kids who are obsessed with space is to join your local astronomical society. My kid was able to go to a kids stargazing event with other kids who love space. They had a pizza party, trivia contest, got to look through telescopes and do some stargazing. And there's a whole bunch of other opportunities, and even opportunities to meet real astronomers and astronauts and that sort of thing.